Hi, welcome back. Today we're making special grilled cheese sandwich. These are the ingredients. If you've made pesto sauce or avocado spread from our previous activity, this is now the next step for you. Our gourmet sandwich is especially special because we're using more ingredients other than cheese. To get started, we must convert our mozzarella cheese in block form into its shredded form. To do this, we need a box grater. If you don't have that, you can use a handheld grater. Be careful with your fingers as you grate the cheese, as the metal can be sharp enough to cut your skin. Once done, just remove the cheese from the box grater and there you have your shredded mozzarella cheese. If you have other cheese blends, you can mix it together with your mozzarella cheese at this point. Following this, open up your canned tuna. If you have other choices of meat, you can chop them up, make them into slices, whatever you can do to make it appropriate for your sandwich. Here I am showing how to open an easy open can. Lift the latch up, make sure to press on the other side so that you can pull the can away from you. Okay, take note that your skin should not be anywhere near the edges because that is very sharp. It can cut you. The next thing you need to do is to drain the oil. Usually canned tuna is in oil or in brine. Just drain that out so that you can take off the meat and chop it up to small pieces appropriate for your sandwich. Afterwards, butter a piece of bread. Make sure to butter only one side, the side that is going onto the hot pan. This is so that you can get that nice golden crust, okay, and it's very fragrant because of the butter. So only butter one side of the bread. Once you are done, prepare all the ingredients that you need to make your special grilled cheese sandwich. Turn them over and so you can place your pesto sauce or your avocado spread depending on what you prefer. Here I'm placing pesto sauce with ham, tomatoes, and our cheese, our mozzarella cheese. On the second sandwich I'm placing pesto and then some tuna, some tomatoes also to balance the taste, and our mozzarella cheese. Don't skip on the cheese, you need the cheese to glue the bread together. And for the next two sandwiches, I just repeated the process, a ham avocado sandwich and a tuna avocado sandwich. Let's now move on to grilling. To grill the sandwich, make sure to put it gently over a hot pan, press all the edges so that it will grill evenly, create that even nice golden crust. Move it about a bit so that you'll know if the bottom part is starting to crust up and it's starting to thicken up because of the heat. You can also lift it up on the sides to check if it has achieved the golden color that we want. And then you flip it and repeat the process. Make sure to press your sandwich down to the hot pan so that it grills well. Other people would add something heavy on top of the sandwich so that it will press well. You can also use a sandwich presser and you can also cover it. There are many ways to do this, but I find this is the easiest. Okay, and after grilling all of our 4 sandwiches into a nice crispy sandwich that has melted the cheese inside, we can now start to plate. To present sandwiches, I find it always best to cut your sandwiches in half, diagonally and not horizontally. Okay, once we cut it in half, you will see that the mozzarella is starting to ooze out. You can arrange them on a board or on a plate. Put a little bit of potato chips on the side, put toothpicks or fresh slices of tomatoes with a bit of a salad. These are all suitable accompaniments to your sandwich. Or you can just serve it plain with a glass of juice, or coffee. Here we have our special grilled cheese sandwich. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and you try it yourself. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Bye!